Hi everyone, it is Andrea over at Sewspire.com, and I am here today to introduce you to my Lifestyle Tote. This is a wonderful bag for anyone who is creative and likes to take their passion on the road. It is lightly padded to keep the contents secure, and it has a unique side panel here that is shorter than the actual front and rear panels so that you can access the contents with ease. On the outside front, we have a full-length padded pocket that's great for larger sketchbooks. Then we have two side pockets on the exterior here. These will hold the phone, charger cords, water bottles, things like that. There are two side tabs on those side panels that allow you to reposition the bag when it is on a surface. On the inside, there is a full-length vinyl pocket that will allow you to see the contents, in addition to a full-length deep interior pocket that's also great for sketchbooks. Then on the opposite side, there is a full-length zipper pocket that would be perfect for putting a computer. My MacBook Pro fits in there. And then on the front of that are two more slip pockets that are great for watercolor palettes or smaller things that you like to keep close at hand. And then when this bag is folded down, you can access the contents with ease. You have an option of adding a snap to the center there if you like. I personally like mine open like this. I have a 4-part video tutorial that'll teach you exactly how to make this. In the first video, we go over all the materials and supplies and I introduce the bag to you. In the second video, we craft the exterior. In the third video, we craft the interior and then pull the bag all together with a really unique construction process. And in the fourth video, I price out the project for you and offer you some suggestions as to what you might sell this bag for or how you might value this bag if you were trying to do so. So if that sounds like fun to you, check out the link to the playlist for this project down in the notes. And please do post pictures of your finished lifestyle totes on the Sewspire Facebook community page, also linked down in the notes. Thanks so much.